Discover the ultimate in energy-efficient windows. Farmington Hills with our top-notch window installation experts. Our team specializes in slider windows. Farmington Hills, ensuring your home benefits from the latest in window energy savings. With our professional window installers. Farmington Hills, you can expect quality window craftsmanship and durable window materials that stand the test of time. For those seeking custom window solutions, our window design consultation services in Farmington Hills MI offer personalized options tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in modern window styles or traditional designs like slider windows. Farmington Hills, our experts provide window frame upgrades and window hardware upgrades to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Vinyl slider windows. Farmington Hills are a popular choice for homeowners in Farmington Hills MI, offering a blend of affordability and performance. Our vinyl windows. Farmington Hills are designed to withstand the elements, providing weather-resistant windows that keep your home comfortable year-round. With double-pane windows. Farmington Hills, you can enjoy insulated window options that reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. If you're in need of window replacement services, look no further than our Farmington Hills window replacement experts. We offer a wide range of residential window services, including window glass replacement and window sealing services, to ensure your home remains energy efficient and secure. Our window repair experts in Farmington Hills MI are also available for any necessary maintenance or repairs. Slider windows. Farmington Hills are an excellent choice for those looking to maximize natural light and create a seamless indoor-outdoor transition. Our high-performance windows. Farmington Hills are designed to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. With our affordable window solutions, you can upgrade your home without breaking the bank. In Farmington Hills MI, our window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come. From routine inspections to necessary repairs, our team is dedicated to providing the best residential windows Farmington Hills has to offer. Trust our window installation experts Farmington Hills MI to deliver exceptional results and enhance your home's value and comfort. Choose our Farmington Hills window installation services for all your window needs. Whether you're interested in slider windows. Farmington Hills or need assistance with window installation. Farmington Hills MI, our team is here to help. Experience the benefits of high-performance windows. Farmington Hills and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with professional window services.